there on the roads with no delays here. Let's look at your latest drive times. Here's Paul now with a check of our forewarned weather.
Weather's looking good so far this morning. Skies are brightening. We're not going to see any rain for the next couple of days, which means the pollen count probably going to creep up just a little bit. This time of year, it's almost exclusively grass pollen or other types of grassish weed pollen in the atmosphere. A lot of people are out mowing or more appropriately harvesting their lawns over the weekend after all of the rain that we had last week. There's going to be a fair amount of that stuff in the atmosphere compared to what's normal for this time of year. Looking outside this morning, skies are brightening. A little bit of fog there kind of obscuring the sunrise from Bedford County and Bell Buckle. Looking at brightening skies right now from Madison as well. A live image from the St. Henry School in West Nashville. We're going to see quite a bit of that sunshine coming up pretty shortly here. Any fog that's out there is going to dissipate very quickly this morning. Should be burned off by about 7 o'clock at the latest. Pretty sunrise as we look to the east past downtown Nashville. Nothing on the forewarned live radar. There's a little bit of high cloud cover out there, not even close to producing any precipitation. The nearest showers way off to our southeast or way off to our north. We're going to stay dry today and tomorrow, and even once we get into a slight chance of a shower or a storm on Wednesday, it's going to be real slight and mainly in the southern half of the mid-state. Let's zoom in and take a look at temperatures. They're not bad so far this morning, mostly in the mid to upper 60s. Nashville, we're one of the warm spots at 71 degrees. It's also 72 in Hopkinsville and in Murray, Kentucky, but mostly mid to upper 60s, even some low 60s in eastern middle Tennessee. And check out Crossville, lucky you, 59 degrees. Enjoy the pleasant start this morning, or the less unpleasant start this morning, because temperatures are going to heat up in a hurry. So get out for a dog walk early this morning. This is one of my favorite pictures that we received so far. Khaleesi there just taking a little rest. That'll be more the mode to be in this afternoon when temperatures heat up to near 90 already by noon, and then into the low 90s for highs this afternoon. Heading out for an evening dog walk. It's still going to be toasty out there, right around 90 degrees by 6 o'clock this evening. We'll see a change in the weather pattern gradually as we head through the week, but that doesn't mean it's going to cool off. It just means the humidity is going to increase enough for a chance of some spotty storms. Wednesday, we're talking the southern half of the mid-state, just enough of that moisture kind of creeping up from down to our south to give us that 20% chance of a storm in southern middle Tennessee. As we wind Futurecast a little farther forward into Thursday, you're going to see a lot of green showing up here, and you would think, okay, that just means it's going to be a washout. It doesn't. It just means there's going to be enough moisture for some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms in our neck of the woods on Thursday. The best chance is actually going to roll our way Friday night, and then into Saturday morning. That's the way the timing looks right now. But that's pretty far down the line in the 7-day forecast. So there's time for that to speed up or slow down. We'll keep you updated so you can plan accordingly for the weekend, and still that spotty storm chance on Sunday. Still hot with highs around 90 degrees, but the hottest air temperatures will be today, tomorrow, and Wednesday before the humidity starts to creep up by the end of the week.
Ooh, get ready for that. All right, Paul, thank you. Well,